Hello children. Today we are going to see how are we going to make a car with this craft paper. This is a square craft paper which I am going to fold and show you how to make a car. Fold it till the tip from the center like this. Hold the center and press to get a crease. After pressing it, open the craft paper and then fold this lower side till the center crease like this. Press to get a crease. Now, after this much is done, you have to fold this paper from approximate center. This is the approximate center. You have to fold this tip down like this. Press and get a crease. This side also you have to do the same. From the center and from this edge you have to fold it down to get a crease like this. Now, after this much is done, you will take these two tips upward. You have to fold it upward to make a triangle like this. This fold will be seen as the wheels of the vehicle. Both the sides it is folded. Now this crease, this center crease that you have got here, you have to fold this part down so that you get the body of the car. Now leaving a little space on the top side here, you have to fold this whole sheet upward like this. Okay, this is a proper place. Yes, yeah. Now see how much I have left. This much is the strip that I have left, and I have folded the rest of the paper back upward like this. Now after this much is done, this side corner you have to get down to make a triangle. Here you get a triangle. This edge you have to match. Fold it to get a crease like this. Right? Now, if you turn this page, you will get to see a truck here. This is a truck that I have made with folding one side of the triangle. Now, if I turn it back and turn the other side of the paper into a triangle from this edge, matching the line here, if I fold it like this and turn it back, this becomes a car. This can be a front car or a side car as well, and you can also make it as a truck. Now here to show you, I have made one more like this. So this becomes the side panel of the truck. The door, the glass pane. You can very well outline it with the sketch pen. Right? And this car can be a front car or a sideways car. Here we can use these two sides to show the headlights of the car like this and like this. Two headlights and the bonnet lines. can very well make lines like this. If you can see that, these are the two lights, these lines to make it as a bonnet. Or else, if you want, you can very well use this car as a side car. That is, you can erase or you can of course create a new car to show as a side car. The side car will have the lines here, as we have shown the side of the truck. Here it can be a light oval shape, then it can be a steering, a mirror here, and the door. This can be the glass, and here you can show a steering wheel. Here in the truck also we will show a steering wheel, one part of the steering wheel. So here you can make a seat. Here from the back side also you can do the same. You can show the seat here. The window on the other side, like this. Okay, and the door of the car, the back side door of the car. So with the same fold we can make two elements, children, and these two can be placed overlapped with each other like this. You can very well overlap the car on the truck or the truck above the car. Anyways, in the traffic you can show the car and the truck together. Okay, children? Just keep this much done ready and draw the background of this. Don't outline, please do not color. Thank you, children.